Once our potato is peeled, we're going to come back to our front burner, and we're going to turn that up to about 6. And then we're going to fill our pot up with water about a quarter of the way through. We'll bring this over and we'll add about a teaspoon of salt to it. Okay, our water is just starting to get ready for our potato. So we're going to cut our potato in half. And then we're going to give it 3 slices and then across. Now we're going to do the other side so that this potato will cook in a uniform manner. Bring them back up to our salted water. And I'm dropping them in one by one because sometimes the knife doesn't go through, or these potatoes are so starchy they'll stick together. But I just want to make sure that they're all separated. So when I mash them, I don't have big clumps. And then once we're done with that, we're going to take our green beans, and we'll line them up, and we'll just trim the edges off both sides. You can go through and pick them off individually, or that's a little bit faster, and we'll drop them into our salted water.